Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Autumn in Asia, Cambodian style. I started out my trip in Cambodia in Phnom Penh. Yeah, that's where I spent 2 nights at the Zing Hotel, and yeah, it was very vibrant, very busy. About 10-mile walk from the river. It was just too much for me though. But you know, somebody told me there was a McDonald's down the street. And I really think that they were pulling my leg. But anyways, I get into Siem Reap. This is what I got. Yes, it was freaking crazy. There we go. That's it's like Khmer New Year. It's like Songkran in Thailand. There's a whole bunch of boys running after a bunch of girls, well, except the last guy. He he didn't get the memo. That's what happens when you got an iPhone, folks. But no, there's a lot of things going on during the Khmer New Year. You can't get away from it. Even in the morning, these kids come out in their pajamas and just swear to everybody. No matter if you're a grandpa or not. But hey, this kid was having fun as long as you gave him a cracker to eat or something. And these girls here, they were selling iced coffee, and this one was selling hot coffee from the river. And I thought that was pretty cool. There you go. And they even had the boat races, which was a lot of fun to watch. And they had lots of places to shop for goodies and food. And this went on for about 3 or 4 days. Oh, the lady in the purple just kind of freaks me out. But the other ones were having a lot of fun. Look at this guy. He's so nice. Get his sister in on there. He gave me 2 thumbs up that he was telling me. There's Sing Lai. Hello, Sing Lai. That's his better half.
I don't have a better half. Well, maybe my bottom half.
But you got to be like burning up. Anyways, this is right across the street from my apartment. Nice. Okay, this is my apartment here. It's a 1-bedroom. Got my living room there. Very comfortable furniture. And it's really a cool pool. Now this is what sold me on the apartment. Not only did I have 2 balconies, but I also had 1 porch right out in the front overlooking the river, and just spent our time up there having a great time, enjoying the sights, the sounds, the scenery, and you know, just it's beautiful up there. Spent a lot of time making friends, new friends. It was just absolutely unbelievable. And as some of you know, I do like to ride my motorcycle there, and it was a lot of fun. It'd cool you off when it was real hot. You get the breeze in, well, not in your hair, not for me, but it didn't matter if it was out in the countryside or smack dab in the city. It was all fun, you know, go out for 3-4 hours and spend some time getting footage. Look at now, doesn't this look like a lot of fun? Look at that. I had a great time learning how to drive in Cambodia. It was something else. She's in there making my yummy. And you always had to have some iced coffee when you're out cruising.
Look at that beautiful color. Oh, isn't that a beautiful green? Oh my gosh.
Alrighty, yeah, I almost get in a wreck here from those guys with the cool spokes there. He's a local teenage kid. See him all the time. He was a good kid, but he just did something weird. And this end store here. Hi, Monique, how you doing? I come back and buy toaster. And here's just a kid just taking it easy. It's like nothing going on. Most kids I know would be screaming to high hell.
Khmer women beautiful, Khmer boys beautiful.
Yeah, this was out in the villages, and these kids they ran from across the street just to see what's going on. But yeah, going out there, you can see a dichotomy of what's going on. How old houses and new houses and brand new construction, and it just seemed like you know, there was always something new to see right around the corner. And boom, something new to see. And that's what was really nice about it. Never got tiring. I really enjoyed that. And the people that you can meet, like this next person here. I saw this along the road,
And this young lady, she makes the rice and she cooks the rice in the bamboo, and then they cook it sort of like that.
No. What this is it's rice that they cook inside of a piece of bamboo. So then all you do is you peel it down like a banana. Oh my gosh. This almost tastes as sweet as an Almond Joy frickin' bar. And here's just a couple of more photos of me out on the road. Kids coming home from school. Just driving around, having a great time out down by the lake. And just anywheres. The monsoon season. A lot of questions about monsoon. Hey, why do you go there and stay around the monsoon? Doesn't it like rain all the time? Oh, look at kids coming home getting totally soaked. Well, yeah, it does rain maybe every day, but usually towards the evening. Not every day, but towards the evening. It might rain for 2 hours, 3 hours at the max, but not all day long, every day. So, you kind of get a rhythm. You go out about 12 o'clock, do your shopping, do whatever you need to do. And, why let a little bit of rain, ruin your fun? It didn't ruin that guy's fun. And here, I got a question for you. If you get wet in Cambodia, what happens? You end up drying off. But there's a lot of water going into the canal. That was about 10 feet of water there. Absolutely crazy. And there's another shot from my patio. Beautiful looking. Well, this is my neighborhood here, and yeah, the water seems to be up quite a ways. Oh, it's nice. Nice when it gets like this. But and here's a shot of I'm on one bridge. There's actually 4 bridges within maybe 1.5 kilometers to get on the other side of the river, and you got two wooden bridges, and it heading on over to the tourist trap over there. And yeah, this guy came along too. He's gonna make a video too.
And we're here with Autumn in Asia.
Yep, and that's that guy.
A vlogger vlogging.
Yeah, that's Dave does Cambodia.
Nobody can see that.
And here we are at the market. I think this was Samsamiki. Very nice, very clean looking market. And this is a different market, but it seems like all the markets, hey, yeah, give me a thumbs up. Seems like all the markets, they had some kind of organization where they'd have, this over here, that over there. So it's kind of, you wouldn't have, veggies right next to chickens and stuff like that. And what is this guy doing? Playing like a game of miniature pool or something? No, this here is a Sakyant monk. They practice for many years. And he's given me a tattoo, which is really kind of like a protection spell to protect me from, from when I travel. It gives me good luck. And I got a couple of tattoos when I was in Cambodia. This was the first one. They don't scar. They're pretty nice. They're enjoyable for me. Yeah, when you're cruising by yourself or with somebody, with getting away from the tourist traps, you can find some really nice places. And be all alone and just really quiet. Now this is when I was heading up to northern Cambodia. Now that's a slicer and dicer that every kitchen should have. But no, they were slicing up cassava, and that's how they do it. And lots of cassava sliced up there. And I even had the opportunity to teach high school class. That was something else. Okay, yeah, I was on Pub Street a couple of times, but only to make video, all right? And there's a lady making loklak. This is my favorite stand, about 2 blocks from my house. Go there and grab dinner every once in a while. That only cost me $3 there. Oh, look at all that loklak. Give me all the juice, too. And it was one of my favorite meals there. And check out the smile on this guy's face. Boy, he's just having a fun time driving that, well, whatever you call it. And I was really sorry. I asked this lady for a cup of ice. I didn't know it was going to be that bad. Whoa, get out of the street there. And this guy's in his flip-flops going across them girders with a live welding probe or whatever you call it. Oh my gosh. Just look at that. Sitting up on the patio. Just enjoying the vibe. And yep, having cold ones with my friends. And here's just a couple more photos that you can check out. There's the morning breakfast club there. There's my protection tattoo. The low black lady. Hey, I gotta get that t-shirt. Look at that. I gotta get it. And Sang Lai gave me a thumbs up. You should give me a thumbs up too, alright? And there's another guy that gave me another tattoo. But just cruising around, having fun. An outdoor cafe there. Hey, you know what I'm going to say. If you're still here with me, you are my #1 fan. So thanks a lot and have a great day.